Greetings, everybody. We just want to welcome you to my show. We have here a couple of guests. I'd like to introduce to you Blunt Eastwood and Seedless Grapes Marijuana. How you guys doing today? I'm fixing it to be a lot better, man. Right. So we brought you on the show today to talk with our guests or with our audience if they even listen to this show, what it's like, you know, in the industry. Well, what do you mean, what industry? I don't get it. Like, what industry? The movie industry. Yeah, well, um, there's a lot of lights, there's a lot of camera, there's a lot of action. That's right, folks. A lot of lights, a lot of camera, a lot of action. So our guests tonight, um, they're just really high, and I think that they come with a lot of experience in this industry. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. I think we're just gonna enjoy our company here tonight. Everybody, put one in the air. Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure having you. Thank you for joining us.